I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burger patty juicy. To start, select ground beef with an 80% lean to 20% fat ratio. This is crucial for moisture. When mixing your ingredients, be gentle. Overworking the meat can lead to a tough burger, so mix just enough to combine everything. Form your patties about 3/4 of an inch thick, and remember to make a slight indentation in the center. This helps prevent the burger from bulging during cooking. Next, season your ground beef generously with salt and pepper before you even form the patties. For an extra burst of juiciness, try placing a small ice cube or a pat of butter directly into the center of each patty before cooking. This melts as it cooks, adding moisture from the inside out. Also, remember to create a thumbprint in the center of each patty. This simple trick helps them cook evenly and prevents them from puffing up. When it's time to cook, ensure your cooking surface, whether a cast iron skillet or grill, is nice and hot to get a great sear. Resist the urge to constantly flip your patties. Aim for just 1 or 2 flips to keep those precious juices locked inside. And this is a big one. Never, ever press down on your patties with a spatula. That action squeezes out all the delicious moisture you've worked so hard to keep in. Finally, once your burgers are cooked to perfection, let them rest for about 5 minutes before serving. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute throughout the patty, ensuring every bite is incredibly moist and flavorful. Now, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Top your juicy burger with your favorite cheese, fresh vegetables, and condiments. For more great tips and deals, check the description below. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.